Hi students, my today's topics coordinate geometry. This topic related to lesson number 3 of 9th class. Let us start coordinate geometry. First we write down the definition of coordinate geometry. It is that branch of geometry in which two numbers called coordinates are used to locate the positions of a point in a plane. This board as an plane and we are taking an Cartesian axis. So in horizontal direction x dash ox be the x-axis or also called horizontal axis, and y dash is called vertical axis, or simply we can say y axis, and O be the origins. O is called origins. We are taking 0 0. So first points, if we write down the points here, so x and y here also. So x is called abscissa and y is called ordinate, and this represent as a point. So both abscissa and ordinates, we simply say that coordinates. In direction of the positive direction of x-axis, we are taking points +1 +2 with the same distance here. We are taking the same distance and write down the +1 +2 +3 and +4. In x dash direction, it is also called negative direction of x-axis. We are taking the same distance -1 -2 -3 -4 and so on. In vertical directions OY, we are taking positive direction. So we write down +1 +2 +3 and +4. And in negative direction of y-axis, also we can say y dash axis, that is -1 -2 -3 and -4 and so on. So we are taking arrow sign here. If we taking an points, this points is called A. So we are taken this direction and this direction also. So O direction, so distance from O, that is 1. So write down abscissa firstly, then in direction of y, that is also 1. So this points of 1 and 1. Also we are taking here a points B. So look here, first we write down this distance and we are taking this distance also. So first we write down the abscissa, that is -2, then ordinate, that is -3. So in Cartesian Cartesian axis, we can draw any points just like A and B. So students, try to taking points, that is your homework. For your homework, you are locate point 3 3 3 -2 -2 3 -2 -3 and 2 3 1 3 -1 -3 -1 +3 and -1 +1, we are taking +1 and -3. So locate these points. You correctly know that the coordinates geometry. So let us then after homework, you are also try exercise 3.1 and find out all questions. This is the simplest you are located the points. That is my today's topics. Thanks a lot.